Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with the GTA 5 which is not launching in your Windows PC, or you are getting an error. This game is already running or unable to launch the game error. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to enable OneDrive in startup apps. To do this, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Go to startup apps, and in here you need to find OneDrive service guys. You just need to right click on it and select enable it guys, OneDrive. After enabling it, you just need to close stuff here. This will help you to run the OneDrive when you start your PC and fix the problem guys. The next step, you just need to right click on the shortcut icon of GTA 5 and select properties. Select compatibility tab and checkmark run this program as an administrator. Select apply and OK for save changes. After doing this, you just need to open up File Explorer and go to this PC. In the left pin, if you have OneDrive installed in your PC, then you just need to click on it, and in the OneDrive you will find a folder with the name Rockstar Gaming. You just need to delete it guys. You need to delete the Rockstar game folder. After doing these three steps, you just need to restart your PC and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to disable Nahimic audio. To do this, if you are using Nahimic audio, then you just need to disable it guys. To do so, you just need to go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In here you need to find the service name Nahimic Audio. Type in keyboard N and find it. In my case I don't have that. You just need to double click on it and startup type set to disabled, and if the service status is running, then you just need to select the stop option and stop it guys. After doing this, select apply and OK for save changes. Now you can launch the GTA 5 and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to rename the GTA 5 folder. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. In here, you just need to search for Rockstar Games. You just need to right click on it and select rename option and type here 123 and just press enter, and it will be saved guys. Just close it off here and launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.